What's going on, future entrepreneurs? We are back in another day, day number 47, in the COTPS update. We're going to be talking about how much is in, how much probably going to take out. Let's get into it. Today is day number 47. Let's go and see how much we have in the account as of today. Today we have 46.98. Hit the refresh, and as we come down here, you can see that around 9:55 was the last transactions for today. Is probably around 11:20, so we'll probably have some more coming through in the next couple minutes. Now let's go check out the statistics. Day number 47. Total amount at the time of me at around 8:30 was 46.94. Just gonna pull out the calculator and do a little math right here. 46.94 minus 44.93, and today we have our first $200 day. So there's the first $200 day. We're going to be expecting those to start to compile. It may go back to 180 or even 190, and then it'll start going back to 200. As you can see up here, it does that. It does it often. Like it'll go from 120 to 111. It'll skip and go to 136 and 140. But the money's compounding. The money's adding up. It's picking up more and more every day. So probably in the next 5 days, this will be close to 6,000 because of the way it's trending right now. It may be more, maybe a little bit less, but somewhere around probably around 5,600 in the next 5 days if we're going to be earning $200 per day. Now let's go ahead and do the percentage of that. 200 divided by 46.94. That gives us it's our first day of being at 4%, 4.28% on the day. No missed trades, and everything is trending upwards in the right direction. Now let's go ahead, and now we're going to look at our chart, the little spreadsheet that I have, an Excel spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is kind of like almost like a prediction meter for your account, but you just have to put in your number so you'll know how much you may be able to get. But it's only on 3%. Like if you look at what's happening for me, it's being more than 3%, and now I'm at 4%. So I'm kind of outpacing the chart, which is not going to show those exact numbers. It's probably going to show on day number 50 or so what these numbers should be showing up. Let's go ahead and see. 46.94, probably going to be around somewhere around 50. So 46.94 is pretty much right around day 52, and almost the exact amount. 46.94.86. So this is pretty much just an Excel spreadsheet that kind of helps you to predict the amount that you can receive. You may earn more. If you see on my account, you can earn a little bit less depending on where you're starting, how much you have in, if you have someone under you. So all those things are going to be a determining factor of whether or not you earn 3%, more than 3%, or just right around 3%. And again, it's not mandatory that you refer others, but it does help to propel your account to earn a lot faster if you do decide to do so. And back on this journey to $1 million, let's go down here. According to this, it would be, the journey to $1 million would be on day number 293. Today is day number 47, so that's another 150 days away. But if the system stays around that long, it'll probably be a lot earlier than that because my account is pretty much trending to 4% and above than any other thing that I've been seeing. So it's pretty much picking up steam. It's getting better every day. If you do want to join, I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you can check it out. It's going to be the link that says Linktree. It's going to take you to another page. You just click on the COTPS button and it should take you straight to the site where you can sign up, where all you need is your telephone number and the password. And don't forget, there is another link I'm going to put down below for cotps.info where you can get this chart and you can get a lot of more information. A lot of more of your questions will be answered if you go to that particular site. Once again, it's the Passive Income Trucker. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to help me get to my 500 subs by the end of the month by hitting the subscribe button. I'm out.